wrong one, it's just gonna fall.
Oh. Let me see which one it's. Which is channel 5 here?
I'm literally using it as a tripod recorder right now.
Now you're walking on my anti-static floor with shoes on.
Oh, I'm not supposed to do that?
No.
I wasn't doing that.
All of you. Now no. I want to see you land this thing over here.
It's really touchy. I've not flown it in ages either. I would probably do it, but I don't know if I can. I want to try out that flight hold mode, because I want to see, or not, is it gonna, that's not gonna be on, is it? Like it's the bozo.
Pretty low storage.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to
Kindle.
just unplug this real quick.
Oh, it's flying again. That's awesome.
Yes, it is. We're just gonna have to recalibrate it because it's kind of shaky when it's hovering, and then it's like Owen said, really touchy. I want to try out the altitude hold mode again.
I want to see you land yours on that little touch board.
What?
Oh,
I put it in my hand if you want to see that. Actually, it wasn't working for some reason earlier, it was inside. But, I just had to play with it. It's just working perfectly right now.
Seize your hand and then just lower it to it.
It doesn't like the hand.
Yeah, it has altitude sensors, which come in handy.
Was it a fan blowing inside?
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, I'm glad to see this thing working again.
Yeah, I
That's
think
cool.
it's channel 5.
Yeah, that's the channel. You flip it up towards you and then it turns it on.
Yeah.
Yeah, so to start the controller, they all have to be out.
Yeah.
That's otherwise it's gonna yell at you,
Yeah.
turn them all, blah blah. So it doesn't like take off right away.
Yeah.
I'm assuming.
Huh?
Oh yeah, it'll turn. That's actually really fast moving.
So how do that TV gonna work?
Just try and go up like 4 feet and then flip it on. Flip it on.
Try to get the.
Huh?
Try to hold it steady for a second.
I think that's what they said.
flipped it.
50% throttle. Yeah, 50% throttle right now, or what?
Maybe you gotta
There's nothing, huh?
Not much.
That's why I'm small.
It's supposed to just stand there. We gotta get the dashboard and look up there.
I mean, it's kind of, I guess. Now it's going way out.
You gonna land on this?
I could try. I don't know if I will be able to
I don't know.
because I haven't really flown this much compared to you.
Right.
That is a smaller, it's a little smaller, I think. Oh, so close.
Did it break?
Nope.
Shouldn't have. I don't think. It didn't hit that
Sorry,
hard.
I'm staying on the floor.
Standing on my floor.
Stand on the floor.
It's built different, remember, Mr. Anderson?
Okay.
Just making
I
sure
hope.
the popper if it's thing go flying
I
out.
thought it would have cracked, so that's why I said.
Yeah, I did too. I'm guessing it was the propeller hitting the guard.
Probably, yeah. Probably just the controller flipping a little bit here. But
That big.
yeah, we'll have to
That was
turn down
really
that.
close though.
We'll have to turn down that touchiness on it. Yeah. Unless we had to off the drone. Alright. I gotta go class. Yep, we turned it off. We're missing. Too time.
Oh shoot, I forgot to turn off the